Hi, I'm Julia Kennedy and I'm President of Canadian Business College. Join us in conversations to understand how we can help you find a new career and success in your life.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, having a great conversation with people at the Canadian Business College right here in Mississauga, Ontario, talking to people whose lives have been changed and to instructors that are changing lives with their students. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell me about yourself?
My name is Kelechi Kagbare. I'm a recent graduate from Canadian Business College. It's been amazing. I enrolled in the course, I think 2022, December, for marketing and digital media. So when we came into Canada, we're new immigrants in Canada. So, we're looking for how to upskill our talents, because I already have a background in business and digital marketing. I did my MBA in Dublin Business School, so I had the raw knowledge for digital marketing. Then we went online and searched, saw the reviews, and we enrolled for the course. So yeah, that's how we came on board.
So tell me about where did you come from, and tell me about your academic journey before you got here.
Originally, we came from Nigeria. So I had my BSc in Nigeria, politics, philosophy, and economics. I had my MBA in information systems from Dublin Business School. At the age of 28, I was nominated or honored with an honorary doctorate degree in real estate investing, because we've been doing, my husband and I have been into business for the last 10 years. So we have a real estate development company back at home, and also into charity works. So when we came in here, we went online to check, skills in demand, or to kickstart our career. Where do we start from? So my husband was like, okay, fine, we can do a course. Let's go online. He went online, did the whole research, and said, baby, this course, I know you're going to do very well in it. I looked at the outline. I said, okay, fine, this is something I really want to do. I have the raw knowledge, but I haven't really schooled in digital marketing space. So we enrolled for the course. That's how we got the diploma I got the diploma in marketing and digital media from Canadian Business College.
Wow, that's quite a journey to come to CBC, right? But it speaks to upskilling, right?
Yeah.
You need to upskill for this marketplace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite a journey. So tell me about the course. How was the course for you?
It's been amazing. I've gained schooled in different schools in different parts of the world, but CBC was different. My instructor, special, and Sweater, as her first name, very special to me, because I like her teaching mechanism. It's fully hands-on. At the end of the training, you get to have a portfolio. As a matter of fact, aside the fact that we already have a background in business, but this course encouraged us or propelled us to start up our agency as soon as we graduated. So we started a digital marketing agency here in Canada as a business, which we are running presently, and we have a couple of clients on board as well presently.
Wow.
So it's been amazing. I really didn't want the course to end. I was in labor and I was in class. I was in the hospital in the labor room. I'm about to have my baby, but I just couldn't miss the class. I had to turn on the video see, I'm in labor, but I just have to take this. So hey, you go have your baby. When you're done, you come. But it's just very interesting. She makes it very interactive. Even if you have zero knowledge, you are going to, everybody come together, the colleagues. She's always there to help you if you have any issues. And the teaching pattern, hands-on. You have your practical classes. So right now, before you are graduating, you already have your portfolio, you've built your websites, you teach you how to run ads online, teach you social media marketing, Google ads. It's just a lot. I'm really excited about that particular course, maybe because that's the one I did, but I always talk to people to, take this course. It's going to help you in a lot of ways.
Okay, I wasn't expecting somebody to love their course so much that they decided to stay with it while they were in labor.
Everybody that I've spoken to about CBC or about digital marketing media, they always give out this energy because of how I particularly feel about the training, and majority of it goes to the instructor. Yeah, because of how she is and how she took us the last 1 year. For me, that's my own personal opinion. Yeah.
CBC, they have a way of welcoming you into the school, taking down the barriers that might, the obstacles that you might face. They knock those down so you can come in, and then they put you in front of people like you just described, instructors that really make a difference.
They're always a financial advisor. She was amazing. She helped us transition. Lito was my course advisor, amazing man. I thought I was going to meet him today. Anytime I call him, he's always there to help. If you have any challenge or give me the contact of the person. It's just like one family. They were really amazing and, you know, welcoming. If I have my way, probably go back to school again.
What a wonderful story. Thank you very much for sharing it with us.
Yeah.
A wonderful story, and good luck at the agency. I hope it thrives.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Thank you for watching. For more information, join us at www.canadianbusinesscollege.com. Thank you.